I'm Girish Chaturvedi, Additional Secretary, Ministry of Health, Government of India, and I'm heading the National Rural Health Mission as Mission Director. National Rural Health Mission is a huge program launched by Government of India in the year 2005. It is basically it has got 5 components. One is communitization of health services, another is flexible financing, third is building capacity, fourth is innovative human resource engagement, and fifth is setting standards for measuring the success. This has become now an overarching program because it is not a project or a specific program. It is dealing with the health system improvement as such. So it is cutting across all the programs. It's not a vertical program by itself. NRHM nowadays includes even all the disease control programs, TB, malaria, blindness, leprosy, whatnot, iodine deficiency. All these things are combined into it. And all the programs are drawing the support from the health systems, which is being strengthened at different levels, starting from the village up to the district level for the time being. We are intending to go up to the medical colleges because now we have come across a roadblock. We are not getting enough trained manpower in the form of doctors, nurses, auxiliary nurse, midwives, etc. So we're trying to increase the number of seats, open more medical colleges, more nursing colleges, nursing schools, and NN training centers. In India, health is a state subject, so we can only convince, sensitize states, but actual delivery is to be done by the states themselves. One of the most successful interventions which states have brought in and which are being replicated all along the country, one is emergency medical relief referral transport system, which was initiated by Andhra Pradesh, and now with the help of PPP, it's a public-private participation model. Satyam Computers has its social corporate responsibility outfit, which had initiated it in Andhra Pradesh. Now they have entered into an MOU with 8 states. And in Andhra, they have got almost little more than 500 ambulances on the road. It's all being controlled through a call center run by Satyam. The personnel for managing the ambulances, etc., are also being provided by Satyam, but the payment is being made by the respective state government. It is already operational in Gujarat also, Kerala, Assam, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan. The second initiative which has come from the state relates to basically reaching out to the unserviced or underserviced areas. Like Assam has gone in for boat clinic, and some other states have started very innovative methods of attracting people to its facilities. Janni Suraksha Yojana is another huge incentive scheme which has created demand, and now we have to match it with supply. All across, I can say that engaging people on contract who are local residents, who are locally available, is one of the major things which has happened, and we have been able to engage almost 1/3 of the strength in addition to what was there when the mission was started in the year 2005.